Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY in front of us, and as we can see that after this massive uptrend on the chart of DXY, we are seeing some correction going on DXY. The last traded price of DXY is 106.54. This is the last traded price of DXY. So overall trend of DXY may be towards the upside, but if we try to analyze, or if we just try to understand this particular present trend, the present trend of DXY, then right now we can see that after some selling pressure, market is consolidating. DXY right now is trading in a range of 107.50 on the upside and 106.20 on the downside. This is the range of DXY right now. The reason behind explaining DXY is that in case DXY fails to sustain above 106.20, and if we see further correction on DXY, means if DXY breaks this level, then definitely we will see more upside on the chart of Euro USD, or more recovery on the chart of Euro USD. And in case DXY maintains its uptrend in the market, and if we see that on Monday and Tuesday DXY starts going up again just like the previous times, and DXY breaks 107.50 level, then again we will get the confirmation that DXY is resuming its uptrend, and definitely we will see further downside on the chart of Euro USD again. So please keep an eye on the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. Okay, and my dear friends, Euro on the back foot after disappointing PMI. So experts around the world are of the opinion that we may see 1.0000 level on the chart of Euro USD again. So yes, there may be some pressure on the chart of Euro USD in the coming week. So let's try to understand what are the important levels on the chart of Euro USD and where we can trade. So let me open the chart of Euro USD. And here is our beloved euro dollar here, and today I'm in the 1 hour time frame of Euro USD. Okay, usually you always see me on the 4-hour chart, but the 4-hour chart was not giving me the comfort today, so that's why I switched to the 1 hour time frame. And more or less I know it very well that you all prefer in intraday or day trading opportunities in the market. So let's try to read the 1 hour chart of Euro USD, because more or less the levels are same. Okay, so you don't need to worry. You can see a similar scenario here. DXY was in uptrend, and after that there was some correction, and then we can see DXY is consolidating. Euro USD was in downtrend. After that we saw some recovery, and right now we can see that Euro USD is consolidating, just the opposite of DXY. So this is the main reason I always focus on the chart of DXY before I start looking at the chart of Euro USD. So market was in downtrend, and then we saw some recovery, and market is in recovery mode right now. And as we have already seen that euro on the back foot after disappointing PMIs, yes, there is a possibility that the downside on Euro USD may continue again. So please be careful with the market, and most importantly, whatever you do, please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Please follow proper risk management. If you think that you are unable to digest the ongoing volatility, uncertainness in the market, then you can just watch the market and gain some experience also. But please protect your capital, protect your hard-earned money. So first of all, let's discuss if Euro USD starts going up. So if Euro USD starts going up from this particular level here, then we can see that around 1.0275 market has faced severe price rejection from above, and market has already rejected thrice, 3 times, so we can expect that market will be reversing again. So if we see on Monday or Tuesday that market is struggling near 1.0275 level, market is showing price rejection from above. If you see that market is showing shooting star kind of a pattern or good price rejection from above, you will get the confirmation that yes, the 1.0275 is still acting as a resistance and you can take a sell position. But keep in mind that you can take the additional confirmation from the chart of DXY. If you see that DXY is also going up at the same time, it gives you the additional confirmation that okay, DXY is going down, so yes, there is a high chance that Euro USD will be DXY going up, so you can assume that Euro USD will be going down. So 1.0275 is still a very good resistance for the market to take a sell position. But my dear friend, do not forget that DXY, okay, if DXY breaks the level of 106.20 and if we see a heavy downside or heavy selling on the chart of DXY, then you can take a buy position on Euro USD above this level as well. So this level will be important if the market goes up. If you see market reversing from this level here, you can take a sell position. But in case DXY breaks the support, then obviously you will get a buy opportunity as well, just above this resistance. And on the other hand, if you're planning to take a position at the current level here, then I'll suggest you to avoid taking any position right now, because your risk to reward will not match. The market is just standing in the middle and you have no solid ground to take any order right here. Whether it is buy or sell doesn't matter. And in case market starts coming down, then the first support for Euro USD will be 1.0150. This is the first support for Euro USD, where you can expect Euro USD to take a reversal and you can go for a buy. Because see, if we just try to focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can see that market is sideways. In sideways market, the number of buyers and sellers are almost same, equal. As a result, we get trading opportunities on both the sides, and we can see the same picture on DXY as well. So definitely we can expect a reversal. If market reverses from this level here, we can make a buy position. And apart from the previous price rejection from below, if I draw the Fibonacci here, then we can see that the same level is also the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So this gives us the additional confirmation that yes, Avilash, you can rely on the level. But risk management is very important. Any position may go wrong. No level is permanent in the market, so do not blame me. And lastly, if you find that selling market is breaking this level, then the second support will be 1.0120. This is the second support for Euro USD, where we can expect a buy position. I think that in case there is a heavy sell in the market, let's say Euro USD fails to sustain here, we can expect heavy selling below this level as well. In case if you find Euro USD breaking this level, then obviously we can take a sell position as well by next week. Let's say how the market reacts after the market opening, then only we can decide. But as of now, market is sideways, so consider the market to be a sideways market and take the position accordingly. Keep in mind, this is my analysis, my opinion. I can be wrong as well, so please do not gamble with a hard-earned money, and please follow proper risk management, strict risk management, and take the position accordingly. Okay, bye bye, take care. Please protect your capital and hard-earned money. Bye bye.